Welcome to my channel. It's called Cooking My Way with Sister Faye. I'm Sister Faye, and I hope y'all having a wonderful day. Okay, let's get started. Today, I will be making some good old down-home Hush Puppies dressing. I got my oil heating up. And what I'm going to do now, Sylvia, she's from Harlem. They family-owned restaurant, make all them good old Southern meals. So I'm going to pour 2 bags of this in here. Sylvia Hush Puppies, 2 bags. And I'm going to pour 1.5 cup of water, because with each package it takes 3/4 cup of water. So 3/4 and 3/4 is 1.5 cup of water. And water is the only ingredient in here, with the mix. Just slowly pours it in. And I don't know if I said this before, but I want to make sure everything is not too soupy. Like I said, I got the oil heating up. I'm getting ready to fry these puppies. But before I do that, it required a 15-minute setting in period. So this mix is going to have to set for 15 minutes. Okay, so this batch been sitting out here now for like 15 minutes. You have the stove up high to get the oil all heated up and stuff. But right before you put these babies in, you turn it down to low. You see I have 2 different types of spoons here. This is more like a scoop spoon that I'm going to scoop this up with. And this one here is my pusher. I'm going to push it in. So the scoop spoon, you get some on. And the tablespoon, you push it in. And I'm going to fill this whole pot up. You scoop. And you push. It browns really, really fast. Scoop and you push. Just like that. You got to make sure you turn these babies fast. It's less than 2 minutes on each side. These babies ready to come out. Hey, I'm back again. I just want to apologize because when I came back the first time, I thought I had the camera back on because I took a break after I fried the Hush Puppies to let them cool down. And I took a nap in the chair. And when I woke up, I turned the phone back on, but it was on video, not recording video, just video. And I put in all the ingredients, and there's nothing on film. No more than me frying the Hush Puppies. So since everything is mixed already, I'm just gonna go step by step again. I fried the Hush Puppies. Once I finished frying the Hush Puppies, I let it cool down for like 15-20 minutes. But within that time, I was taking a nap. And like I said before, when I woke up, the phone wasn't, I thought I had the phone on. It was on video, but not the recording with the red light. That's just how tired I was. Once I crumbled up all the Hush Puppies, I add in a can of cream of celery and 1 can cream of chicken. Then, what you can see that this is gone. I poured in, you know, I pour little by little. I poured in half. I kept stirring it around, But you can see everything is in here. Then, I added in a teaspoon of dash, a teaspoon of seasoned salt, a tablespoon of black pepper, and this is 1 cup and 1/3. So 1 cup and 1/3 of chopped up onions. 1 cup and 1/3 of chopped up onions. Then I had my chop up celeries. So that was another 1 cup and 1/3 of celery. So the onions and celery was 1 and 1/3 of a cup. Chopped up, both. Put that in. I gave it a stir. Added some more of this chicken broth in. This right here is chicken gizzards and hearts. I bought this whole pack for 45 minutes. Then I stripped it in little pieces. Just the dark meat part. Again, this chicken gizzard and hearts. Very cheap. And then I put all that from that pack that I pinched off or either chopped off. I put it in here. Now also, which I don't have no turkey necks to show you. Sorry about everything is in here. But I did bought 3 turkey necks. It was like this long. Maybe 3 inches. I don't know how long, but I bought that for 1 hour. And then when that cooled down, I put all the skin off it, not the top skin, the meat. I put all the meat off. And then I put it in here. You can see some of it. Then I poured a little more of this chicken broth, stirred it all around. I had 6 boiled eggs. 6 boiled eggs. I chopped them up, chopped it into pieces. As you can see it in here, the white part. All 6 of them. Gave it another stir. Put the remaining of this chicken broth in this bowl here. And that was all the ingredients. That was all the ingredients. I have this left because I had to pour this Hush Puppy mix into the baking pan. I greased it first. Now, I greased it with butter all around. Then I took like 2 paper towels. Then I like wiped the butter off. Because you don't want it too greasy. Because even when it's done, that butter still would be down there. So, like I said, I just take a couple paper towels and just wipe the butter. Just try to get much of it off. The pan still would be buttered. Took it out just to show y'all that everything is legit. Everything is legit. I'm gonna put this back in the oven. My oven is preheated 350. I'm putting this back in the oven. It was only in the oven for like less than 2 minutes. And what I'm gonna do with the leftovers, I'm gonna freeze it. I'm gonna freeze all this good stuff. Preparation time is a lot. You have to cut up the celery, cut up the onions, boil the eggs, boil the turkey necks, boil the gizzards, the chicken gizzards and hearts. You have to fry the hush puppies. I mean, it's a lot, but it's just a coincidence that happened today. I know I'm a little tired. Because I definitely thought that, I'm recording with my phone. I definitely thought it was on record. I want to apologize for that. I really do. So, I'm going to let this dressing bake for like an hour. I'll be back. Okay. This hush puppy dressing been cooking now for an hour. It's time for it to come out. Beautiful. It smells so good. I'm gonna let this settle in, maybe for like 30, 45 minutes. Because if I dig into it now, it's just gonna, everything just gonna fall apart. It got to settle in. And again, I'm sorry about the incident that happened earlier. I'm truly sorry. On a later date, I would do it over. I just didn't have all the stuff in the house tonight to do it over. I want to thank y'all for tuning into my channel today. I really do appreciate y'all. I really do. And I want y'all to do me a favor. Do this sister a favor. I want y'all to like, comment, and hit that red subscribe button. Do it for a sister. Do it for a sister. I'm thanking y'all in advance.